Welcome to Simple Animals with Simple Stories, cute illustration with a narrative. I'm Terry Runyan. I've been creating animal characters for a while now, and I will be focusing on animals in this particular class, along with very simple, cute, happy, giggly stories, and how to achieve that in your art. It's a way to bring your art, your illustration, to another level and engage people through the art of storytelling. This class is for those of you who just want a simple how-to around creating cute animals and having a simple story with your artwork. I have quite a background in doing storytelling with my art. I was an in-house illustrator for 30 years for a greeting card company, and I also did several children's books while working there. I just completed 2 books, and they're drawing books, so I'll link to those in the About section. In this class, I'll be sharing a lot of my own work and the stories I've told through my illustration. I'll also be doing some drawing and some demo video. In this class, we're really going to be covering just the basic ideas of creating cute characters and stories. We'll be using the most basic narrative style. These stories can be used to make someone smile, warm someone's heart, maybe make somebody giggle. They're ideal for greeting cards and calendars, and also fantastic for posting to social media to brighten somebody's day. This is not a course on decorative art or surface pattern design. Storytelling can be incorporated into both of these types of artwork, but there is a difference, and I'll be explaining that in the section on storytelling. This is also not a class about discovering your art style. I do have a class here on Skillshare that's all about that. That doesn't mean that you won't get clearer about your art style in taking this class, and that's the cool thing about art. Whenever we move into doing our art, we start to discover what it is that makes our art unique to us. I'll be going over how to generate ideas for stories, how to come up with your own ideas for stories, and how to develop animals and characters. So let's go ahead and jump into creating a visual story.